Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll be setting up the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi range extender to extend your Wi-Fi coverage and improve your network's reach. Let's jump right into the setup process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Start by unboxing your D-Link DAP-1325. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, an Ethernet cable, a quick setup guide, and the power adapter. Make sure you have everything before you begin. Next, plug the DAP-1325 into a power outlet. It's best to position it somewhere between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. The LED lights should start blinking, indicating that it's powering up. Now, connect to the D-Link DAP-1755's Wi-Fi network. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and look for the network called dlinkextender or similar. Select it to connect. Once you're connected, open a browser and type in the setup URL provided in the quick guide, typically 192.168.0.50. This will take you to the D-Link setup page. On the setup page, you'll be asked to choose your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi from the list of available networks and enter the password when prompted. You'll then be able to set up your extender's SSID, which is the name of your extended network. You can either use the same name as your main Wi-Fi or create a new one. Choose your preferred settings and click Next. To ensure the best coverage, try placing the extender midway between your router and the area that needs a stronger signal. Test the Wi-Fi speed and connection quality in different areas of your home to confirm the improvement. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's it. Your D-Link DAP-1755 is now set up and ready to extend your Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.